The type of care I'm trying to provide, the holistic approach, can sometimes be very expensive to access in the community because the physicians that are doing it might be charging a lot of money for that. And so one of my main goals was to make sure that a patient doesn't have to be very high affording to be able to get that kind of comprehensive care. And so I think that that's a huge benefit and a huge value that this practice can bring. My name is Dr. Omar Akhtar, and I own a direct primary care practice called Madina Medicine. Interestingly enough, I set up my practice just a few months before COVID hit. My practice provides an affordable primary care and functional medicine on a monthly subscription basis. Just like with Device as a Service, I'm able to keep the monthly cash flow coming in and provide the best service possible to my patients and keep my technology up to date as well. You have to have technology, especially in this pandemic where a lot of people, especially older people, aren't able to access you in the way that they were able to typically access you. I'll make sure that before every patient visit, the surfaces, including the examining table, the desk, the laptop, is all sprayed on, and we make sure that we use an antimicrobial spray and we can clean all the surfaces and make sure that everything is clean and ready for the patient. The quick clean feature on the T14 is so important because now that we're in a pandemic and we need to be cleaning our surfaces as well, the ability to just press a button and not have to worry about keys being pressed while you're in a medical record, and then the ability to clean that so seamlessly is so important. The Privacy Guard ThinkPad T14 is going to be so important for a business, especially like mine, because oftentimes we're not doing that typical in-office, all your work happens 9 to 5 in office. You need to make sure that wherever you're at, you're going to have a high amount of privacy. That privacy feature allows us to be sitting anywhere really, and to, with a click of a button, make sure that no one around you can see those medical records that you may be going through. During the pandemic, a lot of people lost their jobs, and so when they lost their jobs, they also lost their insurance. And this model provides an excellent in-between for that, because you don't need to have insurance for it. You're really just having to afford a low monthly fee to be able to get very comprehensive care. Really providing a benefit for people who've lost their jobs and struggling with their businesses and so on through this pandemic.
I'm Dr. Omar Akhtar with Madina Medicine, and this is how we evolve small.